Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing this autumn inspired painting. So if you're interested, then let's get into it. So I'm starting off with taking 4 colors: blue, white, red, and black. And I'm starting with the sky, so I'm going to mix blue and white. And I'm just going to create a gradient with the blue just blending into a slightly lighter blue color. And the sky isn't really going to show much, so I'm really not focusing on that. Now I'm mixing some red, blue, and black and making a light purple color. And this is just sort of going to be in the background. Now I'm going to make a darker gray color for the road. Now I'm going to mix blue and black, and I'm going to slightly sketch out trees. And I'm just roughly sketching out the trees because we're going to go over these later on, so these don't have to be perfect. This is just going to be a guide for where our trees are going to be. Now I'm just taking a smaller detailing brush and creating smaller, thinner branches. Now I'm making a slight purple again, and I'm just going to use that to make the distant trees. And I'm just stippling my brush onto the painting. And I'm also swirling the brush as I stipple it. Now I'm taking yellow and I'm going to make an orange color, and start to make the orange leaves. I'm doing the same. I'm just stippling my brush and swirling it. And the brush is very old, so its bristles are sort of like spread out. So it is perfect for creating that foliage look. And now I'm doing the same on the road. I'm going to paint fallen leaves on the road, and I'm just stippling my brush in the same manner. It's taking yellow and orange and then red color. And I'm not going to completely cover the road. I'm going to leave areas. And now I'm taking yellow and I'm going to create individual leaves. Just slightly highlighted leaves. Now I'm again taking black and I am just going to make the branches again. And I'm going to draw a lot of branches. drawing more leaves on top of the branches. Just dipping my brush onto my painting. Now I'm taking green and I'm going to make some bushes at the front. And now I'm going to create highlights. So I'm mixing yellow and white and just stippling it over the yellow part. This is going to give a lot of dimension to the painting. I'm also going to highlight leaves that are on the road. And I'm also highlighting the green bushes that I made. I'm also mixing black into red, and I'm going to create shadow for some of the leaves that are fallen on the road. So this is a final painting. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and see you guys in the next video. So bye guys.